Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on repairing the power supply of the Lenovo Ideapad 3. In this video, we will go through the necessary steps, tools, and techniques to effectively carry out this repair. Let's begin with the tools you'll need for the job. For this task, gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter for electrical testing. Additionally, a can of compressed air will be handy for cleaning out dust and debris from the internal components of your laptop. To start, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Safety first. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located around the edges. Be cautious. Some screws may be hidden under rubber feet or stickers. Once the back cover is off, take a moment to clean the internal area. Using the compressed air, gently blow out any dust, which can affect airflow and cause overheating. Keeping the internals clean is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Now, focus on the power supply area on the motherboard. Locate the power connector and examine it for signs of damage, such as burn marks or loose connections. Use the multimeter to test the power supply, checking the voltage output to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you find that the power supply is faulty, it's time to consider replacing it. Before proceeding with any repairs, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If this seems too tricky, you can take advantage of our collection and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop fixed without any hassle. Next, carefully desolder the damaged power supply component using a soldering iron. Ensure that you maintain control of the heat to avoid damaging surrounding components on the motherboard. Once it is removed, prepare the new power supply component by aligning it properly with the existing solder pads. Solder the new power supply into place, ensuring solid connections. Once done, visually inspect your work to confirm that everything is securely attached and there are no stray solder connections that could cause short circuits. After soldering, reconnect the power supply cable. Before closing the laptop, it's wise to connect it to the power source and power it on, ensuring that it operates correctly. Use the multimeter again to check the voltage output from the motherboard to ensure proper functioning. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any stage, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the cost before committing to any service. Remember, no calls, no travel. Simply book a service and let us manage the rest. Once you've confirmed the power supply is working, put the back cover back on, securing it with the screws you initially removed. Make sure to tighten them evenly to avoid warping the casing. To finish, give your laptop a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth to keep it looking pristine. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired the power supply of your Lenovo Ideapad 3, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.